HSLC distributes free seeds and saplings. Wild elephants create terror in Dolomara. Investigation into murder of NCHAC CEM and EM nearing completion, says government. HSLC 2020 results declared on Saturday. Karbi Anglong registered 53% pass percentage. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jillian Sapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. The most awaited results of HSLC was finally declared by the Secondary Education Board of Assam on Saturday. Amidst the gloomy atmosphere growing up due to the pandemic and lockdown, the declaration of high school and high madrasa results brought great cheers among many families of the state. Out of the 3,42,224 students who have appeared in the HSLC 2020 examination, a total of 2,21,756 have passed. With this, the pass percentage of the state is 64.80%, which is better than last year's 60.23%. Dhritaraj Bastav Kalita of Pudum Pukhuri High School, Darang, secured the top spot among all by scoring 595 marks. Meanwhile, in Karbi Anglong, people have expressed their joy with the HSLC result, as the district has shown an increase in the pass percentage. The district registered 53.11% pass percentage with a total of 7,443 students clearing their exam. Alendita Kalita of Cleared-up Shankardev Sishu Niketan is the only student from the district to feature among the top 10 students. She had scored a 584 mark. Bhoksong High School recorded a pass percentage of 92.63% and is declared the best performing center, while Chokihola High School with a pass percentage of 24.56% has been the poorest performing center of 2020. Like every year, private schools in Diphu have been the face-saving institution. Schools like the Don Bosco Diphu, Presbyterian Mission School Diphu, Pranab Vidyapat Bokajan, Badan Memorial School Diphu, Holy Cross English School Disobai have registered 100% results. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. As expected, rise in COVID-19 cases continues while the Three Hills district in the state are also witnessing more cases. Here is more from our report. Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma informed through his official Twitter handle that on Saturday, 12 new cases of COVID-19 were reported from Dima Hasao, 4 from West Karbi Anglong and 3 from Karbi Anglong. With this, Dima Hasao has registered a total of 72 positive cases, out of which 69 are active, while 7 have been discharged. West Karbi Anglong has till date reported 17 positive cases and all are active, while Karbi Anglong has reported 10 cases with 1 discharge. As of now, the total number of positive cases in Assam has risen to 2,397, while 41 more patients were discharged on Saturday, taking the discharge daily to 588. Meanwhile, India is now the 6th worst affected nation by COVID-19, leaving behind Italy. It has recorded a total of 2,43,733 positive cases and 6,845 deaths at the time of filing this report. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Jhum cultivation commences with the arrival of monsoon, and so are the people in Dolomara region of East Karbi Anglong. However, the frequent disturbance created by wild elephants has become a serious concern for the people of the area. Here is more from our correspondent. Due to the incessant rains, most of the low-lying areas in Kaziranga National Park become flooded every year. As such, the elephants move up to the hills of Karbi Anglong in search of food and shelter. On Friday night, a herd of wild jumbos intruded the field and damaged the rest house and crops belonging to one Daniel Rongpar. Following the nationwide lockdown, wild elephants have been seen taking the National Highway Road and moving around freely. Meanwhile, locals have sought the help of Forest Department to protect their crops from the wild animals. Arjison Rongpar reporting from Dolomara, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Investigation into the murder of former CM of North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council, Purnindu Langthasa and EM Nindu Langthasa, is nearing completion. This was revealed by the state government through an affidavit during a hearing on a petition at the Guwahati High Court on Friday. The affidavit by the state government was submitted to the High Court in response to a petition seeking the status of the investigation. In its affidavit, the state government said that the investigation into the murder of then NCHAC CM and EM is nearing completion and is only awaiting sanction order for prosecution under Section 121 and 121A of IPC. The report reveals the involvement of present CM NCHAC Debolal Gorlosa along with other 6 persons. In addition to this, advocate involved in the case told media persons that there is sufficient evidence against present CEM and 6 other persons, and the state government is also convinced of their involvement in the case.
Courtot আজি Government of Assam through affidavit তেওঁলোকে জনাইছে যে ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন অলৰেডি তেওঁলোকৰ কমপ্লিট হৈছে অকল সেকশন 121 টু প্ৰসিকিউশন স্যাংচনৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে ৱেট কৰি আছে আৰু তেওঁলোকে থ্ৰু এফিডেভিটত তেওঁলোকে জনাইছে যে অলৰেডি ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন কমপ্লিট আৰু ডেবলাল গাৰ্লুসা সহ
It may be mentioned that one of the accused in the case, Miput Rajung alias Action Dimasa, during a hearing at the Session Court in Haflong on July 27, 2018, made a statement that Debola Gorlosa alias Daniel Dimasa had himself killed Nindu Langthasa, while Gelamia, another DHD cadre, had killed Purnedu Langthasa under orders from Debolal Gorlosa on June 4, 2007. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Not pleased with the works of District Veterinary Officer Dr. Dilip Mahanta, the United Students Union of Karbi Anglong has demanded an inquiry into his involvement in the alleged anomalies. The organization has alleged that Dr. Mahanta had violated government norms in granting contract to New Assam Drugs Agency for supplying medicines. The organization held a press meet at Dongkamukam on Saturday. demanding the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for an immediate probe into the allegation of corruption case against on DVO Dr. Dilip Mahanta, which was aired in several state news channels. The organization alleged that the DVO did not obtain the approval of the executive member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge of the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department before granting the contract and had taken bribe.
আফ্ৰিকান যোনটো যদি হয় যদি হৈছে সেই বস্তুটো বিয়পে আৰু এই বীজাণুটো দুবছৰ লোকে বীজাণুটো এটা থাকে এই বীজাণুটো আৰু এতিয়ালৈকে ইয়াৰ কোনো ভেকচিন এতিয়ালৈকে ওলোৱা নাই।
During the press meet, the organization also took up the issue of African swine fever and has demanded compensation for the pig farmers whose pigs have died due to unknown reasons. Kabon Meli Tisopi reporting from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim to provide aid and assistance to local farmers, the Karbi Farmers Association had on Saturday distributed seeds at Dongmokak. The program was held in the house of Dokmoka KFA branch Vice President Sonsing Bey. The program was held in the presence of KFA Central Committee President Tinku Ingti, Secretary Soran Singrongpi, KFA Dokmoka Branch Secretary Chong Teron, KFA Bakalia Branch President Biren Singh Tokbi, Village Hetman Moheshwar Tokbi, and several other members of the organization. They distributed free paddy seeds to the farmers. Apart from that, the organization always told the villagers about the absence of African swine fever in the district. KFA President Tinku Ingti also informed villagers that if they take an insurance policy of just ₹7 for their pigs, they would be able to recover the cost of the pig in case it dies of any disease. Thus, he urged people to contact the veterinary department for further details and also to visit the vet's clinic if they see symptoms of illness in their pigs.
VP Yasai Hemlong Setame, Militum Kabisai to get some Setame, the Mokahara Setamela, not Chili Aporthood, but the Aport Chido of Chili Nangeli Aporalan Tuhan Setame. Masava Setame, Chili Keron, the Bama Port.
In Dilai, saplings and seeds were distributed to the local people by KFA, led by Dilai Branch President Konmoni Teron. Samsing Ingti and Vijay Rongpi reporting from Dongmokak in Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.